Hello everyone all, hope you're all well. This is the new project I'm going to do. It's a good old Tamiya kit from days gone by. The Peugeot 405 Turbo 16 Grand Raid. Great car, won the Dakar Rally a number of times. This is when it debuted. In the colour scheme I prefer, the Pioneer Audio. Car driven by Ari Vatanen and Jackie Hicks. In that first year it had two other cars, but it was the extended version of the 205 T16 that had dominated Group B rallying. Right, as you can see, some nice artwork on the front. I don't know who does all the painting for Tamiya, but they're a very talented person. Great car, great drivers. What more could they want? They made a number of changes to extended the chassis. It's basically a 205 T16 extended underneath, but heavily upgraded suspension to deal with the rough conditions. And let's have a look inside. As normal, first thing we see is the standard Tamiya decals instruction book. I'm in the middle of a heat wave, so I'm struggling here. Got all the call out for the paints, TS colours, many of which are reproduced in some form by other companies, or you can muddle your way through using different companies' paints that are close. Decal sheet. Right, this kit comes from Japan, and it's an old kit, but those decals don't look too bad. There's a little bit of yellowing to them, but I will show you in a bit that I've gone down a different path. Let's put everything back in the bag. Just because I don't use them doesn't mean I'm not going to look after them. Rubber tyres, 4 of them, and the rubber little grommets that hold the wheels in, and some meshing as well to replicate the protection for the radiators. Right, clear sections. There's the big section for the underbody. There's a bit to the left for the front. There we are, just points to you. There's also a front screen, rear screen, the 2 door windows with the guillotines backwards and forwards to allow air in. And there's 2 rear windows for the side of the rear engine cover. Here we are, we've got various engine parts, steering wheel, brake discs and calipers, engine block, turbochargers, exhausts, all those parts from that sprue. So, depends you see the brakes, brake pedal, accelerator, turbocharger, radiators. There's some underbody protection for the fuel tank, because I have to have a big fuel tank on that car to get it across the desert. There's also the suspension parts, the drive shaft and the rear transmission, as I'm pointing out with my fat fingers. But yeah, I'm quite looking forward to this kit. Did it years ago when I was younger. Right, the body kit, the body shell rather, here we are. The Peugeot 405, which was European Car of the Year for a year, was made for ages in Brighton, Coventry, so they closed the plant down suddenly. And the final sprue is roll cage, the rear wheel covers, the wheel spats on the inside. Got the spare wheel there, that's just plastic moulded, you've got to paint that. We got seats, the rear spoiler, the chassis, roll cages as I pointed out, wheels, some more suspension parts. Really does look a good kit. I forgot how good these kits were I mean, this has got to be made what? Group B finished 86. They went over to Paris-Dakar, so got to be what? 1988, 1989. Now we've got the call out for the decals. Very well detailed. Of course, this car did change sponsorship later on to sponsorship by Camel Cigarettes, which wasn't a colour scheme that really grabbed me, to be honest. Well, put everything away. And now it's time for me to look for something. Out comes my red folder with all my decals in it. Yes, I said those decals looked a bit yellow on the box. It's, well, the original ones that came from Japan. So I brought some off eBay. A chap called Aussie Kit.Man. If I remember right, that's what his name is on eBay. And very quickly, they come from the other side of the world, and they were with me within a week or two. There we are. That's the new call-outs for the decals. These are made by Decal Pool. I ordered them online through Garage Romu in Japan, Tokyo. Oh, sorry, now I got these from Aussie.Man.Do, but I did also see them on Garage Romu, but they were cheaper from Australia. I've had a load come from Garage Romu just lately, and I'm getting confused. Got all the numbers on the side, and the drivers are Adi Vasanen and Jackie Hicks. Looking forward to doing this. Can't really wait to get it started. And this time I am going to concentrate on getting it started and finished as quickly as possible. I've got new paints to try. I've got some clear from Gaia paints. So rather than using the 2K, I'm going down the 1K route. And there we go. The lovely box art. There we are, 1989 Paris-Dakar winner. And I'll probably be doing one of my Group B heroes, Adi Vasanen's driving it. Anyway, thank you very much. I hope you're all well. Look after yourselves and look after each other. It's a heat wave in the West Midlands right now, and I'm melting. You might see the fan on in the background. Look after yourselves. See you soon. Ta-ra.